Hey everyone, I'm Matt with We Know Vegas, and this is my co-host with the mostest, Brandy. And we want to welcome you guys to the What We Know Vegas show, made possible for you by our friends over at TravelVegas.com.
The purpose of the show is to bring you the best of Las Vegas, plus ways you can save money on your next trip. Each episode will be covering hotels, shows, restaurants, attractions, and much more. So thanks for joining us.
Okay, Brandy, what is one of your favorite things to do in Las Vegas?
Slot machines.
Okay, of course. What's your second favorite thing to do in Las Vegas?
Eat.
That's right. We love to eat. And the wonderful thing about Las Vegas is that it offers all different types of food options, from the very affordable to the once-in-a-lifetime type experiences when it comes to eating. It's really just one of the cities that brings everything as far as food goes.
That's true. It's easily the city we had the most amazing meals compared to other cities we've traveled around the world. From sushi restaurants, award-winning steakhouses, and the big-name celebrity chefs, there's no comparison for us.
There's actually a lot going on in Las Vegas, especially in 2018 regarding food. So make sure you follow the link in this post. And they've got things such as the Las Vegas Restaurant Week, Vegas Uncorked this spring. Restaurant Week is coming in June. And plus, there's just a lot of good info about eating out in Las Vegas.
Now you have me hungry. Okay, ladies, I'm excited to share with you something I got from Vegas Style Boutique. We all know that Vegas is the city of things that sparkle, so check out the new purse I got from Vegas Style Boutique.
Nice. Look at that sparkle.
I know. It's the studded hobo handbag with wide shoulder straps. The front has a ton of small rhinestones on the front that'll help you sparkle on a fun night out in Las Vegas.
All right.
We have the link to the handbag in this post, and people think you spent a fortune on the purse. The good thing is, you won't have to.
Like you guys know, Valentine's was this week, so if you guys dropped the ball on Valentine's for your sweetie, this would probably make it up, get you out of the doghouse as well. As Brandy mentioned, the link is in the post below, and they also have just a fun of Vegas-inspired outfits and some other stuff. Okay, this week the hotel we want to cover is Caesar's Palace. Caesar's Palace is located right there at the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. It is a AAA 4-diamond property there in Las Vegas. It opened up in 1966, so this hotel has a lot of history and is definitely an icon of Las Vegas.
I've been in plenty of movies.
Been in a lot of different movies, and we don't know if Caesar actually lived at Caesar's Palace. It almost has about 4,000 hotel rooms, and Caesar's Palace basically has everything that you could want when you go to Las Vegas. So, Brandy, what are some of your favorite things about Caesar's Palace?
The location you cannot beat. It's located in the center of Las Vegas Strip. We have some of our favorite restaurants there, Palm, Sushi Roku. We've seen some of our favorite shows, Celine Dion, Absinthe. Great shopping in the Forum shops, some of the best shopping in the world. And they have a pretty good casino.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, Caesar's Palace is part of the Total Rewards Player Card program. This is connected to other properties such as Planet Hollywood and Bally's, the Link, the Rio. So it's just kind of a nice perk to have that you can play at any of these properties off of one player's card. As always, we've got some links to some great discounts for 2018 at Caesar's Palace if you want to check that out. So these obviously come courtesy of our friends over at Travel Vegas.
If you're looking for a very unique show in Vegas, we highly recommend V, the Ultimate Variety Show. We saw this show 2 years ago, and we really enjoyed it. They brought Matt up on stage, and I have not laughed that hard in a long time. From magicians, acrobats, and comedy, you'll be hard-pressed to find a show as fun as this in Vegas.
That's right. V, the Ultimate Variety Show. Couldn't agree more. I did not know what to expect when they brought me up on stage. It was hysterical. I mean, they made fun of us, put masks on our face, and so forth. So definitely check it out. We've got some discount tickets in the link here in the post, so you'll make sure you want to check the times and days, because I think it runs almost 7 days a week. So check it out on your next trip to Las Vegas.
Okay, it's time for questions from our fans. Today's question comes from Cindy. Cindy asked, do you guys recommend walking from the Mirage to see the Welcome to Las Vegas sign or taking a cab? Well, Cindy, this is something we did 2 summers ago, and here's what we did. We walked from the Wynn all the way down to the Welcome to Las Vegas sign. We started very early in the morning, and it's a 4-mile walk that took us about 2 hours. But we did go in and out of the casinos on the way to see the different lobbies, and
because it was in July and we didn't want to sit, be walking the whole time. So it is definitely walkable from the center strip and up towards
Wynn. You think?
It's a lot further than you think. Like she said, we did walk it, but we did end up taking a Uber back to the hotel. But it was a fun way to kind of explore the city. So, Sydney, thank you for sending that question in. And, we love hearing from our fans. So make sure that you can follow the link below and send in pictures, and you can send in your questions and so forth. And you might be featured right here on the What We Know Vegas show.
Thanks for joining us today on the What We Know Vegas show, and thank you to our partners at TravelVegas.com. We're excited to partner with them.
We love partnering with these guys because they get it. They understand you, the traveler. They understand how important it is for discounts on shows and hotel rooms, and they have a lot of great coupons right now on their website for restaurants, and they just added a brand new section about tours. So if you're thinking about taking a tour to the Grand Canyon or Red Rock Canyon or anything around Las Vegas, definitely check them out. We can't thank you enough for joining us today, and you know what? We know Vegas.
We love Vegas.
And maybe we'll see you guys in Las Vegas. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.